When you first launch Reality Hub 1.3, you will get this window. If you want to know how to install Reality Hub and Reality Editor, you can check the link on the top right corner. Once you open this page using Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, you will log in with the default credentials, which is the username is admin and the password is Reality Hub. And immediately you will be directed to the user management tab. If I go and click here on Windows, you can see I cannot click on any of this. So let's first create a user. I'll click on the user. Let's give this user a name, John. Okay, I'll go to John under all users, and in password I will just select the same password as the username, John, John. That's it. Save. Now I will come under administrators, and you can see members. I will add, and I will just add John to the administrator members. Now I will log out. Let's type the username, which is John. Password is the same, John. Login. Now as you can see, I have access to all the different modules. I even have access to the user management because John is an administrator. Let's see what happens if we add just a user and not an administrator. So I'll hit add. Let's call this, say, user 1. Hit OK. Under all users, you can see I have John, I have user 1. So I'll go to user 1. I will set the password to be the same, user 1. Say yes. Now I will come down to users, and here I will click add, and I will add user 1 to users. So I have John as an administrator and I have a user 1 under users. Let's see what happens if I log out, and let's log in with the user 1 credentials. So user 1, password is the same, user 1, login. Now you can see that I have access to the modules, but I do not have access to the user management because I'm logged in as user 1 and user 1 is not an admin. If I log in with an admin account, I can access your user management. So I hope that was useful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.